Good morning, grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today. Let's learn about successors and predecessors of integers today. So what do you mean by the successor of a number? It is the number that comes right after the given number. And what about predecessor? It is the number that comes right before the given number. So you see this number line here. Consider the number 4. Can you say what is the successor of 4? It is the number 5. The number that comes right after 4. Now to get the successor of 4, you have to move one step towards the right or one step forward. Now what about the predecessor of 4? It is the number that comes just before 4. Here it is 3. So the predecessor of 4 is 3. So to get 3 on the number line, you just have to move one step backward or one step towards the left. So in general, you can say to find the successor of any number on the number line, just move one step forward, and to get the predecessor, just move one step backward. The same is the case with integers. You take any integer, the successor will be the one immediately to the right of it, and the predecessor will be the one immediately to the left of it. So can you say what is the successor of minus 3? The successor will be the number immediately to the right of minus 3. So it is minus 2. The successor of minus 3 is minus 2. Now what about the predecessor of minus 3? It is the number that comes just before minus 3 on the number line. So to get the predecessor, you just move one step backward or one step towards the left, and it is minus 4. So in general, you can say to get the successor of any integer on a number line, move one step forward, that is to the right, and to get the predecessor, you have to move one step backward, that is to the left. So can you say what is the successor of 0? The successor of 0 is 1, and the predecessor of 0, it is minus 1. So I hope this is clear to you. Now let's see how we can compare and order integers. So you see the number line here. Consider the two positive integers 2 and 4. You can see 2 here and 4 is here. So which is greater, 2 or 4? It is 4. 4 is greater than 2, or you can say 2 is less than 4. So you see 4 is to the right of 2 on this number line. So we can say an integer to the right of a given integer will be greater than the given integer, and an integer to the left of a given integer will be less than the given integer. So this is the same case with negative integers as well. You see, consider the negative integers minus 5 and minus 3. Do you see minus 3 and minus 5 on this number line? Minus 3 is here and minus 5 is here. So which one is greater? Is it minus 5 or minus 3? We saw in the case of positive integers, if you consider two integers, the one on the right will be greater. The same is the case here, the one on the right. So which is greater here, minus 3 or minus 5? You see minus 3 is on the right side and minus 5 is on the left side. So we know in the case of positive integers, the one on the right will be greater and the one on the left will be smaller. So same is the case here, minus 3 is greater than minus 5, or you can say minus 5 is less than minus 3. So how do we generalize this? In general, we can say an integer to the right of a given integer is greater than the given integer, and an integer to the left of a given integer is smaller than the given integer. So I hope this is clear to you now. Now you have to go through this topic once again, successor and predecessor of integers, and also please go through the ordering of integers in the same page. Then once you have gone through these two topics, you have to do the try this exercise. There are two of them given in page number 64. You have to work out both the try this exercise in your notebook. So that's all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.